So we got this sexy Corvette coming in, guys. He was driving on the freeway. Something ripped off the exhaust. So it's got open headers right now. So I said, might as well let you guys hear it. It's a good looking Corvette. As you guys can see, some of the exhaust is in the back of the car. Right there. So that's what it sounds like with open headers. It is stick shift. Go ahead. Let you hear it. Everything's gone. All fell off, rotted off. So they took it off right here so it doesn't drag and hit everywhere. But it did when it came off, and it hit here, it hit here. It broke off a line right there. And then it bent the caliper, believe it or not. It bent the heat shield for the caliper right there. It makes a really bad grinding noise. It's got a full suspension kit on it. Adjustable, as you guys can buy QA1 all the way around. It's a clean car. They just got the whole motor rebuilt and everything. It's a really nice car, as you guys can see. But yeah, that's what it sounds like with open headers, other than the cats right there. No mufflers, nothing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a high flow cat where the third one goes, because a third cat goes right there. After we put the high flow cat, which is right there, then we run 3-inch pipe into custom Y pipe right there. As you guys can see, we made them in-house. So we're gonna run a pipe to the custom Y pipe. It's gonna go probably right here, something like that. We don't know yet. And then we're gonna get it into the FLOWCHASERs. You guys ever wonder what the design of them are? They look like that on the inside. They got perforations on each side and 2 break points in the middle. It gives it a nice clean tone. It's got a Black Widow look to it too. The welds and stuff. So it's a cool looking design. FLOWCHASER right there. They come in 3 different setups. Like that, and like that. Okay, the ones we're using are part number 92441. And then we're gonna finish it off with 2 black angle cut quad tips on each side. One here and one there. We'll finish it off really nicely, really clean. There'll be a link for everything we can get you guys, we can find online. There'll be a link for everything in the description. For these tips, for the Y pipe, for the FLOWCHASERs, and the high flow cat. You guys ever wonder what the cat looks like on the inside? You see the high flow, you can see right through it. That's the light. You can see the light right through it. That's why we use the high flows, compared to the condensed ones where you can barely see any light. All right, guys, we got a vet. We showed you with open headers what it sounds like. As you guys can see, got the classic wheels, the 2-port injection. Let me show you what we've done on. So it's got 2 factory converters, one there and one there. Then wires it to a single. Then these come with a 3 converters, so we had to put a high flow cat right there. So we used the most high flow cat we got. Then we ran 3-inch pipe into a custom made Y pipe. As you guys can see right there, 3-inch into a custom-made 2.5-inch Y pipe that we make in-house. Looks better, looks cleaner. And then we finished it off with 2 FLOWCHASER mufflers. One right there, one right there. Part number 92441. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then finished it off with quads, black tips, angle cut to complete the murdered out look, which looks really nice, really sexy on this car. Very nice, all done. Compared to what it was on it, all rusted out, seen better days, and it actually fell off. Believe it or not, guys, it fell off in the middle of the highway and he picked it up. Something a lot cleaner. I'm going to show you guys that. transmission. Now the exhaust. FLOWCHASERs. The only one you'll see with that as of right now. They just came out with the FLOWCHASER. They sound phenomenal on V8s. What do you think? You like the sound? He likes it. Such a distinctive sound. Too quiet. Please sound.